Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today I want to show you our latest screen, which is Android 12-inch for a Porsche Cayenne that we installed in a 2013 and it's a PCM 3.1. Basically it relocates the factory vents. These are the location for the factory vents, and the vents, they go to the bottom of the screen, and you can do whatever you want to do with the vents, same as before. You can do wireless CarPlay, you can do Android Auto. Right now I'm doing wireless CarPlay. That's the look of the main menu. You can navigate through the left or right, and that's the digital dash. You can change it to miles too if you want, and if you live down in States. And I'm going to wireless CarPlay. That's wireless CarPlay, but I'm using my iPhone wirelessly. The other options that it has, basically you can download any apps that you like from Play Store, and you can run them through the screen. A lot of people, they ask if the car screen is changed, can we do all the settings and adjustment that we used to do with the factory screen? The answer is yes. There is one app named Car Info. By clicking on that, you can do the settings for door locks, climate settings, light settings, other settings that it was in the original screen. So you can do all those things same as before. And this specific Porsche Cayenne didn't come with backup camera. We add our own trunk handle backup camera. We have a lot of videos about our trunk handle backup camera, and it comes with dynamic guidelines. By turning the steering wheel, the guideline turns too, and it follows the steering wheel. Going back to park, it goes back to the main menu. Also, you can play videos. It comes with USB that you can play songs or videos. The navigation, if you want to install any offline maps, you can do it and set it up on navigation, and you have to do it through basically the Play Store. And the radio is here, and I can use the steering wheel. Or just mute it. And the other question that we get for long trips, if you want to shut off the screen, there is an option to shut off the screen, and by touching the screen goes back on. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy these units online from 4x4shop.ca, and we can deliver the unit to your destination. Thank you and have a great day.